need thee, most gracious Lord. No death can avoid my love, and this can avoid. I need thee, oh, I need thee, every hour. Oh, bless me now, my Savior. I come